Good day everybody, I'm Rich from Bristol Rock Centre and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to play Link Wray's seminal classic Rumble. Link Wray was one of the greatest guitarists ever really, and one of my favourites. He was born on May the 2nd, 1929, and I was also born on May the 2nd, but a few years after Link Wray. The song Rumble was originally released in 1958 and is one of the most classic instrumentals in rock history, maybe slightly rivaled by Dick Dale with Miserlou, but there's not a fat lot in it. Now there have been many tutorials all over the internet on how to play Rumble, but none of them really were wearing like Link Wray sunglasses, because I think it's very important to wear Link Wray sunglasses when teaching the Link Wray song, but no, I can't see a thing, so I won't be wearing Link Wray sunglasses. I will just wear ordinary glasses. And now I'll get on with teaching you how to play the song. Thank you. Okay, so how to play the song. It's got 4 chords: D, A, E, and B7. So it's basically it's in the key of A. The B7's a bit of a guest chord. You could say it's a substitution for the B minor or B minor 7 being the 2 chord of A, or you could say as E is the big chord, B7 fits really well, being as it's the 5/5 chord of E. The solo in the rundown is E minor pentatonic in shape 1. And the G's bent up to give the impression of a G sharp, because the next chord is going to be an E major, which has the G sharp, so it's giving it a sort of E mixolydian-y sort of twist, and that's about as technical as I'm going to get on that one. Also, when counting the song, it's easier to count 6 than hit the things. 6 then hit the things. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. I'll now break that down into sections and give a bit more detail. Okay, so the first chord, when we come in on the D, you don't really... there's a lot of talk over which chords to use. Is it a D with a bit or this? But essentially, he just plays a D power chord. Doesn't matter if you get the A involved in it. Some people like an open E. I don't like the open E myself. That's about it on that. The E's bog standard and the A's bog standard. When it gets to when we go to the B7, in the earlier recordings, Link Wray does the 2 Ds, then the B7. Later on, sometimes he used to change it, so he'd do 1 D and then he'd do a little run. Which I like more personally, but sort of from a purist might want me shot for it, but I don't care. So you've got either 2 Ds or D, and then the run down. Just start off on the G. And I'm just using an E power chord there. You can do it full E, doesn't really matter. But that's it on that section. Solo. It's just a slide from a D to an E, and that's it really. There's a few different ways. If you see Link Wray playing it over videos over the years, he played it sort of different all the time, but it's essentially the same thing. So if you get like the bottom end of a D and slide to an E, so we just have the 2 fingers there and 1 finger there, slide up from fret 10 to fret 12, so like that sort of thing, but doing it on a very fast sort of mental pick, striking on the D on the 1, then sliding up. And the easiest way to do is count it in 4, so you could go. So that's the first one, so very close. So you just got the 2 fingers there, 1 finger there, making the bottom end of that D in an E shape, then just sliding up. I've also seen a film of him doing it in like sort of middle of that shape, sort of Big Brother and the Holding Company style, with like 3 fingers in a diagonal there and not touching the top E string at all, just doing 3 and then going. It doesn't really matter. So those are all the bits of it really. In the earlier versions, Link Wray had a lot of trem on the end of it. You wanted to twiddling up the trem to get more trem towards the end of it. Later versions, he just usually used a whammy bar and just whammied the hell out of it basically. So and that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you've liked it. It's the first one I've done ever. So I hope you enjoyed. So we've got D, A, B, B7. Or and we've got and back to the A. Various different chord structures. Sometimes you went D, D, E, D, D, E, D, D, A, D, D, E, etc. Sometimes you went D, D, E, D, D, A, D, D. Just change it around as he liked, because he was Link Wray, so he could do that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.